I wake up at 6 a.m. I wake up at 6 a.m. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I stretch my body. I stretch my body. I open the window. I open the window. I make my bed. I make my bed. I turn off the alarm. I turn off the alarm. I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I take a shower. I take a shower. I use shampoo and soap. I use shampoo and soap. I dry my body with a towel. I dry my body with a towel. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I put on deodorant. I put on deodorant. I put on lotion. I put on lotion. I get dressed. I get dressed. I choose my clothes. I choose my clothes. I wear a t-shirt and jeans. I wear a t-shirt and jeans. I put on makeup. I put on makeup. I go to the kitchen. I go to the kitchen. I make breakfast. I make breakfast. I eat some eggs. I eat some eggs. I drink a cup of coffee. I drink a cup of coffee. I have tea in the morning. I have tea in the morning. I eat cereal with milk. I eat cereal with milk. I make toast. I make toast. I spread butter on the bread. I spread butter on the bread. I eat a banana. I eat a banana. I drink orange juice. I drink orange juice. I sit at the table. I sit at the table. I eat with my family. I eat with my family. I clean the table. I clean the table. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I put the dishes away. I put the dishes away. I check the time. I check the time. I look at the clock. I look at the clock. I check my schedule. I check my schedule. I plan my day. I plan my day. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I grab my phone. I grab my phone. I charge my phone. I charge my phone. I check my messages. I check my messages. I read the news. I read the news. I write a to-do list. I write a to-do list. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I grab my keys. I grab my keys. I put on my jacket. I put on my jacket. I take the trash out. I take the trash out. I say goodbye. I say goodbye. I lock the door. I lock the door. I go outside. I go outside. I walk to work. I walk to work. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. I drive to work. I drive to work. For more free content like this, subscribe to the channel, keep believing in yourself, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.